Hello everyone. This is a channel that breaks down the latest technology trends that will transform your business and everyday life easy and fun. Today, we're going to talk about a topic many people are curious about, and that has already been deeply shaping our lives and industry. How maintenance work changes in the IoT era. In particular, amid this wave of change, we will take an in-depth look at what new roles and opportunities our skilled experts will be faced with. Here is Mr. Park, a maintenance veteran with 30 years of experience. For Mr. Park, whose daily routine is to walk around the site every morning with a hot cup of coffee in hand, today feels a bit empty somehow. On a time that should be full of energy as usual, though, instead of people's shadows, the only sounds echoing around the site are those beep beep alerts from all over. Where did the staff all go? Turns out, it's the first day that the newly built building's advanced IoT maintenance system is officially up and running starting today. All kinds of sensors monitor the condition of the building's equipment in real time, and based on this huge amount of data, an AI analyzes it to give advance notice of inspection schedules. Manager Park mutters under his breath with an annoyed look on his face, "Hey, a person has to see it with their own eyes. How could a machine know anything he doesn't like? How the familiar way of doing things changes overnight." For Mr. Park, who has always believed that field-tested know-how, intuition, and the feel in one's fingertips are what matter, all of this may feel unfamiliar. But just a moment later, when Mr. Park returns to the office and turns on the computer, his expression subtly changes at the sight that unfolds before him. Because the monitor already had today's IoT diagnostic report sitting right there on the screen. Boiler Unit 2 pump vibration increase detected, fan coil Unit 7 temperature anomaly detected. All this complex data was pinpointing the key issues with precision, as if they were copied directly from Mr. Park's years of experience and knowledge. So, how and to what extent has this IoT technology been changing maintenance work? In this session today, I'll answer that curiosity thoroughly and put it to rest. First, the key shift and the biggest change was that it moved into the realm of prediction. In the past, maintenance was mainly a reactive approach, fix it after it breaks. The equipment would start operating only once it stopped, or abnormal signs could be confirmed visually. This traditional method, often referred to as breakdown maintenance, frequently led to unexpected downtime, costly emergency repairs, and disruptions to production schedules. It was like waiting for a car engine to seize up before taking it to the mechanic. The consequences could be severe, impacting not only financial bottom lines, but also safety and operational efficiency. The reliance on manual inspections and the subjective interpretation of visual cues meant that potential issues often went unnoticed until they escalated into major problems. This created a cycle of crisis management rather than proactive prevention, putting immense pressure on maintenance teams to react quickly to failures. But with the advent of the IoT era, countless sensors continuously collect diverse data from equipment such as minute vibrations, temperature, pressure, humidity, and current values without pause. These tiny, yet powerful, devices are embedded directly into machinery, infrastructure, and even environmental systems, acting as the eyes, ears, and nerves of a vast, interconnected network. They capture a continuous stream of granular data, far beyond what human observation could ever achieve. Imagine a piece of machinery that once relied on a monthly visual check, now broadcasting its internal health metrics every second. These data are then sent to a central system, where AI and big data analytics technologies learn patterns and predict the likelihood of future failures. This is not just about storing data, it's about intelligent processing. Advanced algorithms can detect subtle deviations from normal operating parameters, identifying anomalies that might indicate an impending fault long before any visible signs appear. They can correlate multiple data points, uncovering complex relationships and predicting outcomes with remarkable accuracy. We call this predictive maintenance or predictive maintenance. Just like a doctor diagnoses a plant's health, sensors and AI provide a comprehensive health check for industrial assets. They transform maintenance from a reactive, crisis-driven activity into a strategic, data-driven process. Instead of simply fixing what's broken, predictive maintenance allows organizations to anticipate failures, schedule interventions optimally, and prevent catastrophic breakdowns, thereby extending asset lifespan and minimizing operational interruptions. This fundamental shift from